After long years of political instability, Uganda is still playing catch-up with its neighbors in attracting tourists. It's home to the big five: lions, leopards, rhinos, buffaloes and elephants, and should be a major attraction. But the numbers of these animals in the national parks have dwindled, thanks largely to poachers. There's ready markets in Asia, and skins of animals like these ones often end up on the backs of traditional leaders and even as sandals and handbags. Conservationists are calling for tougher measures against poachers and say otherwise Uganda's animals in the national parks would continue dwindling. Isabel, Nakirya, CCTV, Entebbe, Central Uganda.